Hey guys, I am here with Roderick's gorgeous 2024 Ducati Panigale V4. Now this was a base model. There's not much base left to it. And we're gonna go ahead and fire this bike up for you right now. It's all ready to go. How nice of him. Beautiful CNC Racing clear clutch cover. But what I'm here to show you today, and what I'm here to let you listen to, are these gorgeous black titanium Termignoni slip-ons. Look at that, 2 cans, 4 outlets. This is not 2 girls, 1 cup. This is 2 cans, 4 outlets, and this is the sound. Oh, wow. Man. How high are we revving her to get that kind of sound? Well, you can't see with the glare, but I can, and that's not even that high of a rev. Alright guys, I don't know which exhaust you were considering for your Panigale V4, but these black titanium slip-ons, you know, they really do a good job of keeping the original lines of the bike in place. So if that is what you're after, well, they definitely sound nice, they definitely look nice, and, well, you know where to go to get yours.